All right, YouTube family. I just put in the yard, literally, off of my 9-day road trip. I have not seen the house since they put all the flooring down and the cabinets. So let's go in and we're gonna catch it together. And there's Fitzgerald to greet me. Hi! Hey buddy, hey! Look at the house, y'all. They Lady Red over in the corner. All right, family. I'm gonna say hi to Lady Red, hi to Fitzgerald, and we will do a view of the house. I want to get my initial reaction. It looks awesome. All we need is wall plug. All right, YouTube family. By now, y'all have already seen my reaction after returning home from my 9-day vacation in Georgia. So I'm not gonna talk, I'm just going to, oh, and by the way, you're gonna see a few, foot tracks on the floor. You're gonna see a few places that need to be repaired. There are some vents in that ceiling that haven't been put in yet, air conditioned vents. But other than that, this is still a construction site. But I'm gonna be quiet and just pan around the room. And then at the end of this, I'll put up a before picture to show y'all where we come from if you're a newcomer to the channel. right, fam. I thought I would let the room just speak for itself. I'll probably put that 6-7 minutes to music and just let y'all just savor the moment. I know only a few people are watching these videos, but for that 100, 120 people, you have seen the transition from start to finish. To us, this is amazing. We never thought we would reach this level of modernness. It's amazing. We still have a lot to do. My son-in-law is coming tonight, and that's one of the plugs I tested. I bought it from Amazon, and it was 13 bucks, and that was 13 bucks wasted. We're just gonna get regular white, nice wall socket covers, and we're just gonna go with those since all the doors are white. This door is gonna be painted black because we're painting the outside black. And so we're gonna paint the inside of the door black and see what it looks like. I think we're either going to paint the steps black or we're gonna try to match them with some type of, with the same type of tone as the flooring. We still have to put the banister up for the staircase. I wasn't aware, and tell me in the comments below if y'all were aware of this, but those banisters have a code, so to speak. It has to be a certain length. I think it has to be 30 inches from the staircase, from the bottom to from the staircase, the stairs themselves, up to the banister. It has to be 30 inches between. I wasn't aware of that. The contractor told me that. We have to put the electrical cover back. We have a friend who's coming to buy our old refrigerator. The old stove is in the garage. I have a guy who's already paid me for that. He's coming to pick that up today. Today being Friday, April the 23rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, I believe it is. All right, family. I don't know what else to say, baby. It is amazing. We still have to put the vent covers up. We have to remove some tapes from some areas, clean up a few things like these hinges. We're putting all new doorknobs in. That'll be done here in the next couple of weeks. But we will come back and update you probably two more times. And there's gonna be more than two more of these videos left because my wife doesn't like sharing financials, but if you're gonna approach something like this in 2023, I thought it would be nice to know roundabout numbers about what we paid for this entire renovation. And this is just 1/3 of the renovation. The other third is going to be the exterior. We got to replace some boards, and we got to paint the entire exterior. We're going to paint it black and white, I believe. And we have to do the upstairs bathroom and 2 bedrooms upstairs, which we're not going to go as intense, but we do want to bring them into the 2000s. All right, family, I carried on long enough. Excuse the echo. I didn't realize that without furniture and stuff in the house, that there's not enough stuff to absorb the sound. And I believe unless we put a lot more furniture in here and put down some throw rugs perhaps on the floor, there will always be an echo. So we have to do something about that because I like to scream at Lady Red when she does something wrong, and I don't want that echoing throughout the house when I'm talking harshly to her. All right, family, y'all take care and y'all have a great day. Thank you all, everyone who's gone along with this ride on us. It's been a long ride. It has been 2.5 months, 12 weeks. February the 13th was the day we started this project, and we're still not done. But we are comfortable now. We're back in the house, and we're sleeping upstairs. We don't have to worry about the hammering, the knocking, and the nailing. Family, if y'all enjoyed this, y'all give your boy and Lady Red and Fitzgerald a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.